you can easily do these questions. Okay, now the next question we have, the table gives information about the amount of time that each of 150 people were in our shop. On the grid, draw a histogram for this information. Let's look at the class width. So class width means this is from 0 to 10. So let's write down here class width. So class width is here from 0 to 10 is 10. So 10 to 30 is 20. And 35 to 30 is 5. And 50 to 35 is 15. And 60 to 50 is 10. So we can clearly see that the class width is different. If the class width is different, so we have to use frequency density. Okay, and what is frequency density? So we're going to use here frequency density instead of frequency. Okay, so on the y-axis we're going to use frequency density. What's the formula for frequency density? Is equals to frequency divided by class width. So if you look at the first one, the first frequency is 20, and what's the class width is 10. So 20 divided by 10 is 2. So the frequency density is 2. Similarly, 70 divided by 20. So 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. Then we have 22 divided by 5. That gives us 4.4. The next one, 30 divided by 15 is 2. And 8 divided by 10 is 0.8. So now we need to sketch our frequency density. So you can go, the maximum value we have, if we count from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, we can go, this one is 1, this one is 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so the first frequency is from 0 to 10. Let's say this one is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. So these are our values. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So the first value is 0 to 10 and the frequency density is 2. So we're going to draw our histogram from here, 0 to 10, and the frequency density is 2. And the next one we have 10 to 30 and the frequency density is 3.5. 10 to 30 and it is 3.5. Somewhere here. So this is 10 to 30, 3.5. The next one we have 30 to 35. 30 to 35, which is 4.5. 30 to 35, let's say this one. And that goes up to 4.4. Somewhere here. Okay, and the next one we have 35 to 50 is 2. 35 to 50 is 2. And we're going to sketch our histogram like this. And 50 to 60 is just 0.8. So this is our histogram. Okay, if you want you can highlight the bars. And this is simple. How many marks? Is a 2-mark question, 3-mark question. And the next part says work out an estimate for the fraction of these 150 people who were in the shop for between 20 minutes and 40 minutes. So we have to write it down as a fraction. And how many people are there? 150. So we clearly see that our denominator is 150. Now we need to find out from where to where, from 20 to 40. Okay, so the question says from 20 to 40. Let's change the color first. Okay, so 20 is here, 20 to 40. So we are looking for these ones. So we can see that from 10 to 30, 20 to 30, 20 to 30, it was 35 people there. So if you look at the frequency, you can see that this is 35 people here. This one we have here 22 people, and the next one we have 10 people. If you add them up, so you will get here 35 plus 22 plus 10, and that gives us our final answer as 67 over 150. This is our final answer, because it says write down your answer as a fraction of 150 people. So there are 67 people in there. Okay, now we're going to look at this one. This question